All right. Good day to everybody. Welcome back as always to the Formula Sports channel. Thanks for being here. And as always, know the support as always is very much appreciated, man. Very much appreciated indeed. Gentle reminder, the YouTube stuff, hit the likes button, subscribe to the channel, share the video as well. All free and easy ways to give the channel strength. Also, don't forget the promo code 10% off your next ticket purchase. That is a deal, my friends. That is a deal indeed. Your next ticket purchase for the big upcoming dance on June 6th versus the Dominican Republic. You guys go on the JFF website to purchase tickets. You use the promo code FormulaSports to get a massive 10% discount, right? So now we're getting into this one, ladies and gentlemen. You see the banner, a regular Concacaf just give Jamaica a blight. Yes, ladies and gentlemen. There are times when Concacaf just give you a blight, people. And I'm speaking about situations with our national stadium. Where our national stadium is concerned and it's used for Concacaf games, people, there are times when Concacaf just give you a blight, ladies and gentlemen. May I talk about games when I'm supposed to play at the stadium because the stadium not ready. But Concacaf just give you a blight and allow us to play these games. Perfect example is the current situation. Ladies and gentlemen, the deadline for the lights, news broke yesterday about the situation involving the lights and it not meeting the minimum requirements for Concacaf games. The deadline, ladies and gentlemen, for those lights to have been approved by Concacaf, will pass on the weekend coming. Now, from what the reports are saying, the lights will arrive in the island on the weekend. Plus, it's going to take them 2 days to install the lights. At least 2 days to install the lights. Plus, races are going on the weekend as well. So so them have to wait till that go on first before them sets up and start the work. So the deadline is going to pass before the lights are installed. Basically, I just a blind Concacaf give you, ladies and gentlemen. It's just a blind Concacaf give you. There are times when the stadium meets the minimum requirements needed to host Concacaf events, right? And then there are times when the stadium just get a blind. I kid you not, people. There are times when the stadium don't meet the minimum requirements and Concacaf just said, no, go on. Concacaf just give you a blind. And this is a very important issue where we really and truly need to talk about because it's a disgrace. It's a disgrace and it needs to improve. And by the way, this is not a JFF bashing video because obviously JFF don't have nothing to do with the stadium. JFF not run the stadium. Independence Park Limited are the ones that are running the stadium. And frankly speaking, they need to do a better job. The gentleman who is running the stadium, Major Desmond Brown, boss, honestly, it's time to go. Big and serious, it's time to go. Literally, Major Desmond Brown there. Major Desmond Brown there at the stadium. From what I understand from Wapikill, Philip, Major Desmond Brown, they at the stadium, ladies and gentlemen. Boss, it's time to go. Major, it's time for us to see if somebody else can do a better job. It's time to go, my boss. Honestly. It's time to see if somebody else can do a better job. We reached that stage then now, Major Desmond, bro. Honestly. Boss, you get up in an age. From me understand you all past retirement age. Boss, it's time to see if somebody else can do a better job. I have always been sympathetic. I've always been sympathetic to the plight of Independence Park Limited and them running the stadium, because to be fair to them, running a stadium as old as the National Stadium is a very challenging task. To be fair, it's a very old stadium. Whatever can go wrong will go wrong. You know, I mean, I can't even imagine how this. I mean, literally, we have seen videos. We got the stadium and literally see the stadium and fall apart. So it is a challenging task that the major has on his hands and Independence Park Limited has on its hands. But we need to see somebody else can do a better job now, man. We need to give somebody else a try. By the way, I recently found this out, because to be honest with you, I never know say 1962 the stadium built, For sure you how old this stadium is, ladies and gentlemen. And 1962 the stadium built, I did not know that. To be honest with you, that's news to me. I literally yesterday I find that out. I knew the stadium was old, I didn't know the stadium was old. But I didn't realize that I saw the stadium old. Honest to God. One last thing before I go. Because them always as a vloggers just a beat. Here's a solution, right? The major is crying out about the lack of resources for the stadium, right? Why would not try to do a naming rights deal with the stadium? Like for instance, you have stadiums that are named after companies, like for instance, the Allianz Arena, then for instance. Allianz is a company. Why would not try to do? I mean, there are longer term ideas out there, like for instance, getting overseas investment. But in the meantime, in the short term, why would not try and see if we can get a naming rights deal done for the national stadium that will bring in increased revenue? And just seriously sit down, Independence Park and Major Desmond Brown, seriously, old and grey, been around since Wappy Kill Phillip days. Major Desmond Brown needs to sit down and try and come up with some innovative solutions to addressing his problem of generating revenues for the national stadium. Boss, you and your team need to sit down and do some brainstorming and come up with some ideas. See, me just give you one this up. Instead of naming the park Independence Park, naming the stadium. Go try and see if I can get a local or overseas company and do a naming rights deal with them. You need to come up with something, because honestly, we can't continue if you go like this, people. We can't continue to be going on like this and getting obliged to hold international events at the stadium. It's crazy. Anyways, hit me up in the comment section. Let me know what you guys think. Knock up the likes button, subscribe, and share to the Formula Sports channel. Free and easy ways to support the channel. Take care, guys. Stay safe, and until next time.